Do you feel like not doing anything after you woke up, hitting the snooze button on your alarm over and over, not doing your work, or postponing all the things you should be doing? If any of this sounds familiar to you and you want to get yourself back on track, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple motivational hacks that will keep you motivated all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Theory, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. New videos coming out every week. First, by rewarding yourself. As we all know, our motivation is highly dependent on our dopamine system. In case you don't know, dopamine is one of the hormones in your brain that will make you feel good and happy. So in order to keep us motivated through the day, we definitely need to have a consistent supply of this hormone. One of the great ways to keep dopamine up and running is through rewarding yourself. Let's say after completing a task, make sure to reward yourself with a fresh cup of coffee, a small dessert, or even just taking a break or relaxing for a few minutes will do the job. Your progress may not seem to others like anything worth celebrating, but trust me, take time and do it anyways. It is your task and your reward, and don't let yourself demotivated. One of the best ways to keep yourself motivated and working for hours is through chunking. Chunking is when you take a larger task and you break it up into smaller pieces. For example, if you have 5 days left to write a report and you're freaking out, then you might chunk it up like this. Day 1, write the intro. Day 2, section 1. Day 3, section 2. Day 4, write the conclusion, and day 5, proof draft, and finally send it. One of the ways through which I apply chunking is by creating a checklist. According to Atul Gawande, who is a great neurosurgeon and author of the book The Checklist Manifesto, that a checklist can be created for every single task, whether it is a business task or simply just packing your suitcase for a trip. Creating smaller checkpoints will make it much easier for you to follow till the end. By achieving smaller milestones, you build up more confidence in yourself that will make you say, yes, I can achieve those bigger goals. Next, by keeping track of your progress. For example, if you want to lose weight, you first need to define your goals. Let's say you want to drop 100 pounds in next 2 months. First, this might sound like impossible to your brain, but if you divide it up into smaller portions, like dropping 25 pounds in next 15 days, and by keeping track of your progress in an app like MyFitnessPal, it seems much more possible and it gives you the willpower to do it. By looking at your weight being dropped slowly and slowly will makes you more motivated to keep going to the gym and ultimately achieving your end goal. Next step is by keeping a good company. Keeping a good company is absolutely very important. As a man once said, that you are an average of 5 people you spend the most time with. Your personality reflects the people you hang out with. I believe that if 5 people you surround yourself with are positive, hardworking, motivated people, then there is a good chance that you will be like them as well. It is not all about how they make you a better person. It is also about how they make you feel. Those who are toxic to you will only bring you down and affect you in negative ways. Things goes a lot smoother when you have those who can make you laugh and feel positive. Finally, the last way to stay motivated is through productive procrastination. You all have heard about procrastination, but might not about productive procrastination. Procrastination is the most damaging factor in our ability to stay motivated to achieve our goals. Procrastinating can be detrimental because it can make us miss tasks or routine. Just one more episode of The Office, then I will go to the gym. One of the effective ways to deal with procrastination is through a technique called productive procrastination. For example, when you are not working anymore or your energy level is going down, try reading a new book, hitting to the gym, learning a new skill, do some practice on your favorite musical instrument. By procrastinating about the right things in the right ways, you are never really procrastinating. To sum it up, there are 5 powerful ways to keep yourself motivated and getting more things off of your plate. Number 1, by rewarding yourself. When you reward yourself, you build up your dopamine level, which makes you feel good and motivated. Second is chunking. Breaking down your big tasks into smaller, simpler tasks and creating a checklist of each task will make it much easier for you to follow. Third, by keeping track of your progress. By looking at your progress, you're most likely to stay committed to the task and getting to your end goal. Fourth way is by keeping a good company. Being around with people who inspires and motivates you will ultimately helps you to be a better person. Fifth way is through productive procrastination. By procrastinating about the right things in the right way, you are never really procrastinating. Thank you all so much for watching. What topic you want me to cover in the upcoming video, and what are the ways through which you keep yourself motivated? Leave it in the comment section below. If you like the video, then make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I really want to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this month, and only you guys can make it possible. Much love to you all, and I will see you in next one. Peace.